Hi everyone, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own logo with Canva.com. I'll show you the entire tutorial, and at the end of this video, if you keep on watching until the end, I might show you my next logo for next year. But only if you watch until the end. So let's get started. First you want to go to Canva.com. I need to sign up or log in. I'm going to go to sign up. Continue with Google. Easiest way. Continue with my account. I have a small business. Continue. You don't have to add any people. Maybe later. Okay. Now, I would like to create a logo. So go to Create a Design and click Logo. Now you can add elements, uploads, text. You can also go to More and get a background. Let's make this background red, since that's the main color of Debbie. I might go to Elements, keep it white for now. Maybe make the background black. Like that. Now, let's add some fancy text. Let's do Game On. And let's write Debbie. Maybe just Debbie. Let's move it to the bottom. Who knows? If this video gets me to 20 subscribers, I will make this my logo for a day. Okay? I'll make a video of uploading it to YouTube. Put it like there. Let's go to Elements. Code. Oh, this can be the background. Replace background. Oh. make this there. Make it look like that. That's nice. Nice. That's actually kind of cool. Yeah. You can also add, you can go to templates if you don't know what to do. Do one of these if you want. Ugh. Let's just report that. Okay, I won't. It looks very ugly. I wouldn't want that for a logo. That's cool. Maybe something like these or something. Yeah, this is cool. So if you can do this, you can copy all these steps, how to make it. You can also go to more, styles, and photos and stuff. But if you have something like this and you're finished, click download. And we want it to be PGN, and click download. Like that. I might actually make this a red color in its image. Maybe not, it's fine. But then you can go to your YouTube channel or your website or anything and upload it. So currently, my logo will look like this. Ooh, nice. It's got the embed code. It says Debbie. And it has code in the background. So that's really nice. You don't have to copy me, you can do your own, and yeah. Bye everyone, I hope you liked this tutorial of how to make a logo with Canva, and yeah, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell. If this video hits 20 subscribers, I'll make this maybe I might have this logo for a few days. Maybe if this video, yeah, if it hits 20 subscribers, I'll make this my logo. And yeah, bye.